Hey you guys, it's Rachel here with Senza Tempo County Corso. I'm here with Preacher, Velocity, Blondie, and Midnight. We're back at the trail that we were at yesterday that we got rained out of. This is a new trail for us. We have not been here before. So this is an off-leash dog trail, so that's why our dogs are off-leash. So that's something to keep in mind. So I'm going to call them back. Come on, back up here.
Come on.
People have asked me how I train my dogs to come whenever I call, and I teach them when they're young. Velocity, back up here now. Back up here. You see how Midnight's targeting her because of her energy? Her hackles are up. She's just being way too hyper. Shh, get over here now, Velocity. Shh, heel. Come, hey, sit. Now, Velocity. Shh. Shh. Sit. Velocity, sit down now. Sit down. Hey, do you see how she keeps looking away from me? It's because I don't have her attention yet. Shh. You see, she just looked at me there. Hey, look at me. You need to behave. Shh. Velocity. Shh. Behave. You understand me? You need to calm down. Calm down. That's better. Midnight. Heel back. Good girl. Shh, Preacher. Just kind of trying to rein them in a little bit because they're getting a little too excited. Ah! Velocity, back it up. Midnight, wrong way. Wrong way, over here. Oh wow, it is a waterfall.
Dude, there's tons of waterfalls. I love this place.
That's really cool.
Yep. We gotta find the trail though.
Back up here, Midnight.
Yeah, there's waterfalls all up and down it.
Dude, I don't know that I can walk down that.
No, that isn't the trail. That's what I just said. We have to find the trail.
What? Back over here, ladies. So how I train my dogs to do off leash is I start them when they're really young, when they're just little puppies. Whenever they first get their shots is whenever I start. When they've finished, when they've completed their shots, I should say, that's whenever I start taking them out. And I've got a video that I did with Midnight on that, but I'll do one with Tennessee. I'm gonna do a lot of training videos with Tennessee. She's really stubborn, very strong-willed, does not like to be told what to do, so she'll be a really good dog for me to work with on camera for you guys because she doesn't back down easily. So I just want to see this. I know he said it's not a trail, but I just think this is so cool. Wow, that is so awesome. That is just beautiful. Wow. This is like my favorite thing to do, and it's so cool to bring you guys along to do this. It's just like, I've been doing this my entire childhood. Ever since I was a kid, I'd just go exploring out in the wilderness. I never thought for one second that I would be doing it on camera for other people. Wow. Look at this. And this is all natural. Heel. Preacher, slow down and heel. You, slow down. Chill out. It's a beautiful tree. Very unique. What is it, Velocity? What is it? What is it, girl? What is it, girl? What is it? What is it? What is it? She's a funny dog. Oh, look, they found a way down. Oh, so did he.
There's a trail over there.
I guess I'll go around the trail. I have my coffee in one hand and camera in the other. I'm not really equipped. Hey, Blondie, leave him alone. She's picking on her daddy. Alrighty. So, and this is a big reason why I like to keep my dogs really trim, because if you take your dog out hiking and going up and down these inclines and hills and whatever, all these rocks, and your dog is overweight, it's really gonna do a number on them. Whereas if you just what? Okay.
Wait, hold on.
Anyway, so if you just stay at home, if you have a dog that's overweight, but you just stay at home and you don't really do much, then the odds are your dog's going to be fine because he's not doing anything. But if you try to take your dog out and do stuff like this, not a good idea, because your dog is going to get injured, and it's just really not a good idea. So just keep that in mind, especially with this particular breed.